But you were gone by the morning. No. I got one. Thank you.
Here you go. Here you go.
Oh, cute.
Have a nice day. See you
You
tomorrow.
too. Smells so good. I just trust McDonald's that they have everything I asked for in my bag. Now I'm gonna get gas. Look at that cute car. It's pink. It is pink. OMG, and it's also like iridescent. All right, this is a problem. My bag is so messy and I just can't find what I'm looking for. Thank God I got it. So both of my batteries are now dead. So just gotta charge it when I get home. Because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna kill this battery because I'm just gonna be making content here. Because that's what cool people do. Cool people, yeah. Bye bye. Okay, so I forgot. I always turn my airplane mode on when I get gas. I don't know. I just feel like it's safer for me. I don't know. Okay. Let's go do it.